Here's what you'll need for a dessert that will knock your guests' socks off. Some vanilla extract. Do try and get the extract, not the flavouring if you can. Some mascarpone cheese. Some eggs. Caster sugar. Some coffee. I've got a bit upmarket with cappuccino, but any coffee will do really, as long as it's coffee flavoured of course. Some roasted pistachio nuts. Cocoa powder, and then I'm going with chocolate chip cake bars because it is chocolate and pistachio, but I find that these are better than the normal angel's fingers that you use in a tiramisu. First thing we're going to do is separate your eggs, so whites in one bowl and yolks in the other. With your eggs separated, it's time to get your egg whites whisked up until they form nice white peaks. When your egg whites form nice little peaks like that, time to put them to one side. Get your egg yolks in with your caster sugar and give them a mix until they're nice and creamy. When your yolks and sugar are nice and creamy, it's time to go in with your vanilla extract and your mascarpone cheese, and then we're going to give those a good mix. With everything nicely mixed, time to go in with your egg whites. Don't use your whisk on this one, we're just going to use a spatula. And get them thoroughly mixed. When they've been thoroughly mixed, we're going to pop that into the fridge just to firm up a little bit for an hour. With your eggs in the fridge, time to crush your nuts. So get your processor out, good old pestle and mortar, or back to basics and a rolling pin and a bag, and give them a good crush. When you've crushed your nuts, missus, time to get your cake bars cut in half, and then get some of your coffee onto there. And then it's time to go with your Nutella, or as in my case, shop's own. What I've done, because it'll look a lot more liquefied than normal, I put it in the microwave for a minute, and it's a lot easier to spread without breaking up the cake bar. So do that for the whole bottom layer. When you've got a layer down, it's time to onto there with some of your crushed pistachios. And then a layer of your delicious concoction. Then it's time to start again. So get some coffee on your cake bars, some of your melted Nutella, start a new layer. Once you've got that layer in, then you're going in with the rest. And then onto there with your cocoa powder. And then last but not least, your pistachios. Then this wants to go in the fridge for at least 2 hours, and preferably overnight, just to firm it up. And then all that's left is to eat it.